ano po ang nature of the petition dito po nila Binibining Garin? Bakit po na reverse ang una pong desisyon at findings ng panel of prosecutors po, sir?
It was a petition for review
Okay.
from the panel
Mm.
that at that time probable cause to charge them with reckless imprudence resulting in conspiracy daw.
Opo.
So yun, prospera.
Opo,
So
opo.
dahil petition for review yan, Ted,
Opo.
the entire case was opened up for us to revisit and reevaluate. And that was the situation that we face ourselves and we found ourselves in, and we decided based on the evidence that were before us.
Okay, so petition ito for review. Noong pong ito'y ipinanek ng panel of prosecutors sa hukuman noong pong 2019, kailan po nagsampa ng petition for review sila Binibining Garin? Po kasi as we know now, inyo pong sinasabihan ang mga prosecutors na i-withdraw nyo na yung mga kasong kriminal na ito because of this recent decision of the DOJ, sir.
Actually, Ted, kailangan i-konteksto natin ito, no? Mga kaso kasi na wala pang information. Kaya nga, yung dispositive portion ng resolution namin ay nakasaad doon na hindi na nila dapat i-file yung information kung hindi pa na-file.
Okay.
At meron man na naka-file na, yan ay pag-usapan kung withdrawal ba ang pinakamaganda, kung kailan gagawin, ano bang state ng hearing. Kasi may mga kaso na kasing tumatakbo sa korte, may mga kaso naman nasampa pa lamang, may mga kaso naman na inapelahan kasi nga nag-preliminary investigation dito sa baba, dito sa ng Prosecutor General. Kasi pinag-consolidate lahat yan kasi nung una, kung saan-saan nag-file at talagang igamda yung mga respondent din kung saan-saan sila, and they were strained talaga yung finances nila. Yung mga health experts na to, mga doctors, they are ordinary doctors kadamihan, and I think we should take away yung personality aspects dito, no? Para matignan natin ng mainam na parehas, kasi nga kailangan nating timbangin yung lahat. Mas